I make time for the things I like. Yeah, yeah. Maybe we can do this all night. Yeah.
Yeah, sit back, relax, grab your wine glass, fill it with some water. I'm gonna teach you how to lay your frontal exquisitely. So first and foremost, you're gonna need a wig. This is the wig from Myfirstwig. I really like it. I plucked the frontal a little bit more, but I really like Myfirstwig because it comes with all these accessories and stuff to like really help you on your first wig journey. It has a pouch filled with combs, crocodile clips, wig straps, instructions, and even a wig mannequin like head, so you can put your frontal on your wig. You can put your wig on the mannequin. It's a little wig on it, and leave it there. So I really like that aspect of Myfirstwig. Like it's really like, I feel like it's very beginner friendly because the wig's pre-made, the frontal was plucked, but I like to always go in and pluck my frontals a bit more. But it's not anything that you can't like work with or just keep. When you're cutting your frontal, the main thing is the cutting sections. Don't, please, rein it in. Have some self-respect, some patience. Take your time. I position it where I want it to be. I've already applied a wig cap. I don't normally do that. I just did it. I went into it for fashion. It's decoration today, so just ignore the wig cap. You want to hold it tight, and you want to apply it before your hairline or on your hairline. That's the main important thing. So I'm gonna cut in sections. So I want this to fall like this. So I'm holding it tight down. So you wanna cut it off in sections. So that way you can really see what you're doing, and it's not like, you don't wanna rush the job. Because if you rush, you're not getting your lace back. And when you're cutting, you want to just follow the shape that you want to do, but try and wriggle the line a bit so it looks more authentic. You don't want to cut just straight across. I don't know if you can see the lace. It's not like a completely straight line. It's like a little bit jagged. That's what you want to go for because it makes it look a lot more natural. And it's fine if you cut off some hairs here, which is what I'm going to do. I've done my makeup because that's what that matters right now. So my face is beat, the wig's on. So the two main products that you're gonna need is your got-to-be gel, the black one, the yellow spray now. First things first, yeah? You need to take your time. Frontals, it's not no low maintenance kind of a something. It's high maintenance. It's high maintenance. That little pouch I showed you, necessary. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna just gel your hair back, yeah? Gel your baby hairs, everything, just gel it back so that it lays flat, okay? Don't miss out that step. That step is so crucial. Comb it back, comb all those hairs back so that none is like in your face, and do it section by section, okay? The next section. Okay, I promise, a pinky promise you. Bring your pinky to the screen. This is gonna help you lay your frontals down properly. I promise you. All right then. Yes. All right. we're clipped in. Now once your frontal is set good like the ice in the freezer, you're gonna need some tissue or some cotton pads. You can use some micellar water or some rose water to just clean off the makeup here, because it's gonna look musty. Okay, my rose water. Love it. What's Mac Fix Plus? When you have rose water, the best. As in, you wanna position your frontal, yeah, like how you want it to stick on. So I want it about here. If you've got a big forehead, you want to clamp in that forehead, you can just bring it, do whatever floats your boat. But I'm not trying to have a smaller forehead today, so I'm gonna bring it, there's my hairline, and I'm just gonna bring it just a bit before it, so that it sticks on nicely. So wherever makeup is there, you wanna wipe it off. Okay, a clean cotton pad. I mean, it is easier if you don't have makeup on, but I ain't got time to. It's good to use rubbing alcohol, but I don't know if you're allergic to that, so I might do a patch test and see. That demarcation, that's what we're going for. That's what we're going for. Okay. You don't want no layers between your frontal and you. Frontal, you. That's what we want. So we're gonna start off with the got to be one layer. Open it up and then put it on the back of your hand. Yeah, use the end of here to smoothen it down, because when you use your hand, sometimes the oil from your hand, if you haven't cleaned it, yeah, it makes it turn a bit white. Just a little bit white. And that's not what we're going for. And don't apply a really thick layer, just enough for it to stick, because you're gonna add 2 more layers. You're gonna take your blow dryer on a cool setting. Use cool heat, don't use a hot one because it's gonna melt everything. You hear that sound when you're mixing macaroni? Because that sound, you wanna tap it, and when you hear that, oh yeah, you know it's time. Then you wanna go in with your second layer, got the spray this time. Okay? And you're gonna take the edge of your comb and place it on. Just using this by itself is strong, but putting the two together, it's a different kind of a strength, I promise. This is how I lay my frontals when I know I'm going out and I'm gonna be doing the most. I mean, it doesn't completely hold it, but it holds it enough to the point where like, I can feel my frontal flapping off. I carry the head tight and I hold it down and it will still stick. Sorry, you want to apply the cold temperature again. Okay, this is what we're going for. I don't know if you can see, but when I pull it, can you see? Oh, look at that. This is what we're going for. That string. Yeah? Puffs. One more layer and you're set good. I promise. And make sure you concentrate, yeah? Add just a little bit more on your sideburns if you have sideburns. And your temple is a really important part, because that one tends to lift up. Because when you're kiki and laughing and smiling and squinting up your eye, it was the flake, alright? Apply one more layer on top, but making sure you focus on like the temples. You want to dry it again, sorry. Clean your comb, yeah? You can comb out the hairs that have come astray, come out to play, yeah? And clip them back again, basically. I mean, take your time, but if you take the piss, it's gonna dry up and you gotta do it all over again. And I don't have time. And you wanna start from one side. I don't know why, but my left side is my sexy side, so I like to start with the sexiness first, you know what I mean? And then ease it into the other side. And then you want to bring it down slowly. And then take the rat tail part of your comb and then push everything down. And it's fine if the glues come out to play. And if you want to, you can do this now or later. Quickly clean up the glue that you can see, or the adhesive that you can see. Just a little bit, not too much. You can clean it up later after we're done. What I like to do is I like to take stocking tights, the best thing ever. And then what this is gonna do is it's gonna make it look like you're profesh. And really and truly you're amateur, but you're profesh. Take this, wrap it on the front, yeah? Wrap it on the front and then draw it back and then tie it as tight as you can. Don't come and give your brain as tight as you can handle, and then leave it there, okay? For like 15, however long. The longer, the better. If you're impatient, use the blow dryer just to blow dry it over here again. I believe it is dry, so let's see what it's saying. This part is normally the messiest part for me. I like to just rip it off like a band-aid, just quick. Oh, it hurts. Clean up the glue that is out there. But yeah, this is literally how I lay my frontals. I really like this wig because look how deep it goes. So yeah, this is the video done. Basically, this is how I lay my frontals all the time. This is the procedure that I do to, you know, get this secured. This is Miss Mella and how she applies the lace front. So yeah.
In my new ride, yo, she like how the doors commit suicide, yo, oh well, you straight. I don't care what them hoes tell you, babe. Ain't nothing sweet but a hotel room, ayy. Ain't nothing sweet but a hotel.